like SOAP service versus REST service. What do you mean by API? What do you mean by API? It is a way of communication between two different or same technologies
the application.
applications. You have communication between two different
Platforms.
platform applications.
Platform.
Now we have two type of APIs. When development team has designed the SOAP service for communication, they will give us a single file named visual file. Visual means web services description or definition language. All the operations or features or resources will be defined in the where single visual file. We have to test that visual file. But developer will give us in case of SOAP service. Developer will give us what? Developer will give us
A visual
visual
file.
file,
Always master file.
and visual file will contain
Features.
all the
All the resources,
resources or features
features.
or operations.
Operations.
Visual file is based on XML format. Which format? XML
XML
format.
format.
XML format is HTML format. Firstly, HTML format. HTML means predefined tag like HTML tag, head, title, body, div. XML format is the user defined tag. Let me show. For example, first name. This is a which type of tag? User defined tag. Right? So you can see calculator wisdom. Just a moment. So this is the visual file for which feature, which application?
Calculator.
Calculator. And you can search here operation. What are the operation given by this visual file? Add, subtract, multiply, divide, right? All the operation, and it is user defined tag. You can see these are, although we don't need to take care of these things. In case of REST service, there will be a unique URI. There will be a unique URI or URL for each operation or resource or functionality. In case of which service? Sum. We have www.calculator.com/sum. For subtraction, calculator.com/subtraction. So for each feature, REST service support both the formats. Which one? XML format and JSON format. Now, XML format. What is XML format? Something like that. Angular bracket, first name, closing angular bracket. This is the which format? XML format. And what is JSON format? First name in double quotes, first name, colon, value, Deepak. So REST service support which format?
Both XML and JSON.
Both. In SOAP service, dev team will give digital file. in which all the operations will be there. Operations, or we can say functionalities, right? And it support which format?
XML.
XML only. And in case of REST, what developer will give to us?
JSON
Unique
URI.
URL.
In case of REST service, developer will give us unique URI
URI.
or URL, we can say. There will be a unique URL for each operation or functionality, right? It support which format? REST service?
Both XML and
Both
JSON.
both
Yes,
XML and JSON.
both formats. Now, which one is better? SOAP service. In case of SOAP service, everything will be defined where? In a single file.
Visual
So
file.
REST service is very lightweight. REST service is very lightweight. Why it is lightweight?
Because for every
Why it is
operation we have a
lightweight?
different URL.
URI, uniform resource identifier. URI consists of base plus endpoint plus parameter. That is a very important interview question. What do you mean by URI? URI consists
Base
of
endpoint.
Base parameter endpoint.
base plus endpoint
Parameter endpoint.
plus
Parameter.
Firstly, base. Base is the location where development team has deployed the REST APIs. Endpoint. Endpoint is the feature name. What do you mean by endpoint? Endpoint feature name. Now, parameter. Parameter means the data, right? Like we do for filtration, we can say for filtration. From all record, I want a single record. I want a particular record. We can find out using parameter. Like select star from table. It will give all the data of a particular table. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Getting select star from table where ID is equal to 1, 2, 3. What data it will give?
1, 2,
What
3
data
ID.
it will give?
1, 2, 3.
Where ID
It's a
is
particular data.
We do the filtration in API. How we do the filtration in APIs?
By
Record
using
in the
parameters.
response by using parameter. Right? I will discuss about, we have two type of parameter, query or path. I will discuss. For example, I'm writing software testing. This is the URL. Let's discuss here. www.google.com before first slash. This is the base. This is the base.
base URL.
What is the end point? What is the end point?
Search.
Slash search. Only slash search. Feature name. What is the feature name?
Slash search.
Slash search. After that, question mark and ampersand. Question mark and ampersand. This is used for parameter.
Parameter.
Here also. What is base? What is base?
Base is
Localhost
the
3000.
Localhost colon 3000.
This will be location.
And
So
endpoint. What is
feature.
Student
AP student list.
let me take more example. Let me take some more example. Go to Google. Dummy REST API. Let me take some good example. Here also you can take. This one. Base. What is base here?
So dummy.rest API example.com.
Till here, till here, till here, till here,
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh,
till here. And
uh,
endpoint,
How Deepak
endpoint
till V1?
slash
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 employee.
employees.
Employees.
means
Slash employee.
before endpoint, whatever is written, that is the base
Base
function.
URL.
Base.
Also, what is base? Till here you have base. This is your base,
अगर हम
right?
MMT का
And what is
साइड का ले तो
yeah, I'm taking. Let's create. What is for parameter? Parameter. Base, again base. What is base? Till here you have base. Endpoint,
Deepak sir,
two type of parameter. Either it will be start from question mark or slash. Question mark means query parameter. I will discuss these things. Slash means path parameter. That is a later on, like we will discuss, right? So here you can see slash one. That is the which type of parameter?
This is path parameter.
Path.
parameter.
Yeah, path parameter.
So
To take example, for example, makemytrip.com, right? I'm searching here hotels. Here I'm searching hotels. Now you can see. Everyone, please keep yourself on mute. What is base?
Till
This is base. Endpoint.
Slash hotels.
hotels.
That's it.
Slash hotels. Yeah.
Now let me take more example. Everyone, please keep yourself on mute. Trains. What is base? Base.
So up to .com.
Yes. Endpoint.
Up to .com slash railway.
Slash railways.
Railway.
Railways.
Rajnish bhai, things are clear.
yes
Yeah.
Deepak
Resource, feature, operation, or endpoint, or functionality, right? Everyone is same. After installation of the Node.js, we will get a file named npm node package manager. What is the name of the file? Node
Node
package
packet manager.
manager, right? With the help of this npm, we will install what we will install JSON server. What we will install?
JSON server.
JSON server package. With the help of this JSON server package, what we will do? We will create dummy REST APIs, right? Download Node.js. Download Node.js from here, depending upon your system requirement, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Download the Node.js. After downloading the Node.js executable, just click on it, then next and finish. After that, we will get the Node.js setup in our machine. Where? In the C drive program files. Where we will get the Node.js setup?
C.
Here you can see C drive program files and Node.js. When we will get this folder?
After
When
the
we will get
download.
this, so here you will get the npm file. What is the name of the file? npm, right? Yes, we are getting this file. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? When we will get this file? After
After
installation
After
of the
install the
Node.js.
Node.js.
copy this path, copy this Node.js path, and in the same way copy the which path? Node modules path. Node modules path. Two paths you have to copy. Set this path where? In the path variable. Let me show how we will set and why we are doing this thing. Go to window, right click on this PC, properties, and here what we will search? Advanced,
View advanced systems.
then here environment variables, here path. Just press P, click on the edit button, new, and paste your path. Node.js path, and second one is the
Module.
npm path.
node module.
Node module.
Why we are doing this thing? I will explain. Okay. Now on the CMD, on the command prompt, we will run a command npm hyphen version. How this command will execute on CMD? It will check where? In the path variable. CMD will check where?
The
CMD
path.
will check where? In the path variable. CMD will check where? In the path variable, whether there is a entry of npm or not. If yes, then this command will run. Otherwise it will not run.
Throw error.
Right? Now you need to check after path variable. What you need to check? What you need here? Set the path variable. Set the path variable and check the versions. Where? How? Go to CMD. Clear screen. CLS. Mute karo please. Node hyphen version. It is giving you the version.
Yes.
In the same way, npm hyphen version. It's working. Both the commands are working. Yes or no? We have set up the
Path variables.
Path for the npm.
right path for the npm. Now, after that, what we need to install?
JSON-server.
Using npm install -g and JSON-server. Where we need to run this command?
Command prompt.
CMD. After that, what will happen? Which package will install? Which package will
JSON
install?
server.
JSON
JSON
server.
server.
JSON-server package.
And after that, check the version of the
Server.
this thing. Why we need the JSON server? Why we need the JSON server?
To create dummy REST APIs.
Very good. To create dummy REST API. Now I have already installed the JSON server. I will check JSON-server version. It's working? Yes or no? Read process here. Step number one. Download the Node.js and run that executable and finish it and check you are getting Node.js folder in C drive and program files. Step number 2, set the path variable for Node.js and node modules. Where? In the path variable. Step number 3, check the node version and npm version on CMD. Step number 4, install the JSON server package using npm
server.
on CMD by below command. This is the command npm install -g JSON-server. Step number 5, check the JSON server version. Any doubt, anyone? Please. Next step number, see the diagram. We have a JSON server, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We will create a JSON file. We will create a JSON file in a standard format that I will show. Pass that JSON file to the JSON server, and based upon that JSON file, what JSON server will give to us?
Dummy
Dummy
rest.
REST API.
Dummy REST API. So we need to create a JSON file and pass that JSON file to the
JSON server package.
JSON server.
JSON server. Let me show. Like this PC desktop, new text document. You can give any name. I'm giving Jan batch. Right? This is a file. Now in JSON format, curly braces. What do you mean by curly braces? Object notation. क्या बोलते हैं? Curly braces meaning object notation.
Object
Square bracket
definition.
square bracket means
Array.
array notation. Object. Okay, we have taken an object. Put double quotes, and here you can mention API folks colon square bracket comma empty. Second, Selenium folks. You can give any name here. Comma create customer square bracket students list. So how many keys we have defined here? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Right? How we will validate our JSON is correct or not? How we will validate our JSON is valid or not? Go to jasonlint.com. Where? Copy it, and where we will go? jasonlint.com. Here, paste your JSON and validate. It's valid or not? It's valid or not?
Valid.
Yes, sir.
For example, if we have put extra comma in the end, then see it's valid or not valid. Now you can use this JSON. I have pasted here also. Now Go to the file menu, save as. Which format? Which format? JSON.
Not JSON.
Not JSON. And save as type. Which type? All file. We have created a JSON file. We need to run a command JSON-server -watch and space your JSON file, whatever JSON file we have. Drag and drop it. Let me note down here this command. So here JSON-server and space -watch space. Now what we need to give? What we need
JSON
to
file
give?
name. JSON file name.
Drag and drop. Drag
Give
and
the
drop.
path.
Drag and drop it. And which key? Press enter key. How many API it has created? See,
4.
how many keys we defined in the JSON file?
4.
4.
It's working. So step number 1, what we did, let me explain. We have downloaded the Node.js and we have installed the Node.js. After that, we have set the path variable for Node.js, right? And after that, we have checked the Node version and npm version. After that, we have installed the package, JSON server package. After that, we have checked the JSON server version. After that, we have created a JSON file and we are passing this file to the JSON server. Step 7, start the JSON server. How? JSON-server -watch space your JSON file. अब क्लियर हुआ?